What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezie and we have another hair sponsor today. Thank you so much, Megalook. They sent me a 18-inch blonde lace closure wig. So this is actually the first time I've ever seen a machine wefted lace closure wig. This is very interesting. And Ashley did not make this one. Oh, okay. So it comes with a band so it can fit nice and snug with, of course, additional drawstrings. And I'm about to do something with you today. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm about to do something.
So you guys, Ashley is dyeing our wig today with Sunrise Orange from Adore. So of course we're doing watercolor and we want to leave a little white streak in the front. So she's going to dip the back and keep the front out the water. Alright, so to make the color a little bit more potent, she's going to add a little bit more dye, mix it in, and then re-dip the wig. Oh, okay. Okay, this is kind of cute. Alright, let's put this wig on our mannequin stand so we can get ready to mold it. So to mold the wig, I'm using one of my favorite setting foams, Tropical Roots. I'm going to pump it on the hair and comb it through. And I think I'm doing a middle part today. So to make the part look a little bit more natural, I'm going to take my tweezers and pluck the part just so we can define it more. Whoa, and right here you can see a big difference. Alright, now that I'm done, I'm going to take my black wrap, put it over the top, and hit it with the blow dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes. But if I had a dryer, I would have walked away a long time ago. But it's all good. It's all good. So you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. This color was really quick and easy. Make sure you guys tune into part 2 so you can see exactly how we did this install and style.